This is a quick recording on how to connect Urbit Visor to a running Urbit Ship. In order to do this, we'll need a few pieces of information. We'll need the URL that the browser can access it at, the plus code, which is also known as a network key or access key, and we need to have Urbit Visor installed. If we're using port, our URL is going to be localhost. If we're using any third-party hosting solution, it'll be whatever URL you use to log in. With Urbit Visor installed, we can go ahead and click Setup. We're going to create a master password. This password is used to encrypt the network keys for the ships that you connect to Urbit Visor. Here's where we're going to input the URL our ship is available at. In this case, it's localhost. If you're using third party, it'll be the URL you use to access it there. We need the plus code. In port, we can click copy access key and paste it, or we can go ahead and access the terminal and press plus code. And there it is there. That's what we enter here. We click add ship. Success. We confirm with our master password. And now that we can see that the comet is connected. We can also confirm that everything is good by looking at the terminal. And we can see that this comet has opened an airlock. That means that Urbit Visor is communicating with the ship.